So today we're in Glasgow, the AFRC. What do you do here, and more importantly, what's today all about?
So we're part of the Catapult Centres within the UK, the only Scottish one, so Advanced Form and Research Centre, but moving now towards machining. Today's event is about bringing the machining team members together to let them show their expertise to the Scottish engineering market.
And your partners, you've got lots here, can you name some?
So we have 11 partners here. We have Tier 1 partners, Tier 2. Tier 1 we have Matsura, DMG, OpenMind, and Quick Grind, Sandvik, Mitsubishi, some of the Tier 2 members.
So it's fair to say they've all got slightly different niches and they're doing slightly different things here at the event?
Yes, definitely. They're all, I would say, highlighting their capabilities in a really good way. The good thing is we've brought various members on projects together. So I think we've one machine with 4 members or 5 members, all involved partaking in that demonstration.
Any particular highlights for you?
I think always a highlight and always a crowd pleaser, if I could say such a term, is the machine behind us. So hybrid LMD, so additive and subtractive machining in one platform. We're taking a gear, machining off a tooth, LMD, laser metal deposition, and then remachining the tooth back to its original form.
And I have to say, it's the first time I've been to an event, well I came here last year, but of this scale, it's been a while since there's an event of this size in Scotland.
So I've done a quick check with Engineering Scotland. I believe this is the first time we've had an engineering event since 1988, which was held in the Scottish Exhibition Centre. And that's partly the reason. This exposes the AFRC to the Scottish engineering community, exposes the members and creates links with the Scottish engineering community, and hopefully we can grow this event and make it a regular feature.
Yeah, it's been very well attended. You know, everyone's saying how good the event is, so is it fair to say you'll be doing it again next year?
I would like to think so. I would like to get more people involved. As I say, this has been predominantly members, so to get some new members out would be good. We're looking for people to work with us, definitely on projects and development work, and also SMEs. We want the SMEs to become involved. Let's help solve their problems.
MTD-CNC are in Glasgow in Scotland at the AFRC, and I'm joined by Barry. Now, Barry, you've brought the MX520 to this fantastic facility. But firstly, do you think this machine's going to be a great success in Scotland?
Absolutely. I think we're offering something a bit different. We're offering a full engineering support package with this type of machine, and so far the impressions are really good, so I'm looking forward to the future with the MX520.
Is the fifth axis market buoyant in Scotland?
Predominantly it's used as 3+2 in Scotland from what I've seen. There is pockets of simultaneous machining, but we're moving forward with it.
OpenMind are here supporting the AFRC here in Glasgow. Now, what are you actually showcasing?
Yeah, it's a fantastic opportunity here. We're working with all the partners, and with Hypermill we're on 3 of the 5 machines showing 5-axis milling, some tube milling and also additive.
Now, with the technologies that you're showcasing, you know, what benefits do the end users effectively get?
Well, hopefully what we're trying to show is what we've designed as a reasonably complex part, but it's actually pretty straightforward to program, and the end result is also good with surface finish. And obviously with the additive, it's new for everybody, so we're just trying to show a real-world example there.
There's 2 things for me. One, the cycle time.
Yeah.
It's around an hour, isn't it? And the surface finish is outstanding.
Yeah. The barrel cutting, I mean, this is stepping over at 2mm at a time on the barrel cutting. With a normal ball nose, you'd be at 0.25. We're getting better and better finishes now because of the development of our machine tools, grinders that we're using down at Quick Grind. You know, every time we get new ones in, there's more advancement, and we can run faster and faster. So you don't have to be a mathematician to realise if you're stepping over 0.25 and then stepping over 2mm, the time saving. Plus, you're getting a fantastic finish as well. And it's working very, very well for us. A lot of people have showed an awful lot of interest in this. And you don't have to machine a whole component. You have to machine one surface is going to gain you an awful lot of time. So yeah, we're getting a lot of interest out of the barrel cutting and the lollipopping.
Well, on this machine we're demonstrating the prime turning. So we're turning in the prime direction to maximise the productivity and the metal removal rate. We're also showing some y-axis grooving. Rather than parting off discs, we're just going to show it working in grooving. So we're running that at sort of 0.3 millimeters of rev, into the material, and we're also showing this dynamic waveform grooving with the new QF face grooving.
And you're here at the AFRC. How do you find these guys to work with?
Yeah, great. I mean, they're very experienced. A lot of the guys, the operators, know what they're doing. They're running multiple machines, so it's really good to work with them. They've been really well organised. Crawford's done a good job. Tracy also. They've been really helpful, and nothing's been too much trouble for them. So, and we've had to do a lot of it remotely. So it's been a good experience, really. Yeah.
Very good partnership for us. Yeah. We've gained a lot of business out of it. We've got a lot of synergy with them. We've got a lot of connection. We're 2 years down the road with them now. It's worked out fantastically well for us. We get to use the facility, we get to prove out our cutting tools. They ask us, about cutting tools. So when we work together, bringing other partners in, and we get to work with different partners, and it evolves out of that. This year, we're here, and there's twice as many partners here as there was last year, and we hope to do it again next year and have twice as many again, and twice as many people again. But it's a brilliant facility for us, absolutely fantastic for us. The AFRC has been very, very good.
It's a great place for us. We're really pleased to be involved with these and the LMLC, so the composite side as well. Yeah, it's great to support these training centres and these development areas in Scotland as well. It's a very interesting place for us for showcasing what we do, but also working on a partnership. So, for example, here with Matzera, with Inchinnan, with OpenMind. It's something we're going to be working on year, no worries.